How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here. In today's video, and in today's video, take a look at ZOM Zomedica, and we'll take a look at my live trade on it. I took two trades. Well, technically three. I took a couple overnight trades on it, and I got in at 113. Yeah. Oh no, wait a second. Yeah, I got in here Wednesday at 113, and it was just a little. I had some extra money to play around with. Nothing really, just a test trade really. And I was gonna sell yesterday. I should have sold yesterday, but then again, like I just said, it was just a little test trade, a couple bucks into it, a couple shares, whatever. But then the real trade started out this morning. I was looking at it and I was like, you know what? Oh my gosh, guys! I was gonna jump in right here at that 148 level, the 149 break, but I said it's gonna come back down, and it ended up pushing up all the way to the high of 195, and then I saw this dip right here. I said it's a good dip buy opportunity. Alerted in the Patreon Discord, link in the description to join that. I don't know if any of you guys took it, but I got in my average. Oh, man, see that guy's name TD. I love TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, but sometimes you get filled so bad. I literally punched in the buy market again. It was a market order, so who really knows? But I punched it in right there at 164. Ended up getting filled at 166, I believe. And then it was a small little trade, so I ended up selling at 170. Or no, I got filled at 164, sold at 170. Should have held, but I was a little dip buy, so I wasn't expecting anything really to push up. And then I got back in right here at a round. It must have been right here then. Wait, where did I get in? Come on now. It must have been right here for 179 because that was my average, and so that was the only time it dipped back down. And I should have sold at 193, but I said to myself, 193 is not going to be good because the 195 is right there going to be there, so it's either going to break or fall back down. And I broke my own rules holding it, and ended up selling off right here at 82. So like a 3-cent trade. I still made money on it, still profitable for the day. With my account size, remember guys, I'm trading small account, so I don't know how much I'm up, but I'll leave it in the description. Oh, I like percentage wise, I don't know how much in this description. Excuse me, selling drugs over here. But I ended up pushing to $2.01, so we'll actually change this line to 201 for tomorrow, because I really do think that's going to push up tomorrow. You guys know that in mid-March or end of March, they were going to be releasing their true forma. So I do want this. Okay, here's the thing, but long term here. I'll also give a little chart and prediction here. I would like it to come back down to the 150s. Here's the problem. I said it in mostly all my ZOM videos. You don't want this to get pumped up too quickly that when the news come, like it's already too pumped, so nothing even happens. But with that being said, the 201 looks like it's going to be heavy resistance, as well as 220, 230, 240, 262, 280, and then 298. Now, when they do release their true forma, I do see this as a $5 company. Maybe not when earnings come out, like end of year maybe. Earnings come out, looks like it's 25th. So these are lines that I need to break. Great chart. I would like it to come back down to the 150s level, the high right here, the 148. Now, I don't want to see it below the 148 because that was the high of the day right here in 1-11. You just really need a pullback. You don't want this to be pumped up, guys. I'm telling you, short term, yeah, you'll make some money. But if you guys are long hauling it, you want a nice stair step up right here. A low of 6 cents and then right here to 30. And then boom, look what happened. It went from all the way up to 150, and then if you bought at 150, it came down 80 cents. That's almost 50% of it coming down. So you don't want stuff like that to happen. A nice pullback and a steady up, and we're rocking solid. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was ZOM, a little day trade recap and chart prediction. Right now there is support at the VWAP. It looks like if it can hold it, as well as some support at $1.670 here. $1.70 support, resistance at the 195, $2, and then every like 10 or 20 cents all the way back up to the 298 high of day. I actually want to say the volumes, we go back to the 1-year chart. Great volume, 460 million shares, which is really good because we haven't had that for a while. It's been nice, just not nice, but just a lot of red volumes. It was nice to see another breakout green. Like I said, tomorrow I want to pull back, or excuse me, Monday next week I want to pull back a little bit and then see a nice stair step up towards the true forma and the earnings. Hopefully they're good with pre-sales of the true forma. Let's wait and see and we find out. Alright, ZOM, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below, and I'll see you in the next. Oh, wait a sec, guys. I want to do the news right here. So, taking a look at the news now. There was no news on it, no specific news on it today or yesterday. Just I think there, the sympathy momentum from Zomedica signs true form distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. So I mean that's obviously huge news, right? Because you have your product, but who's going to distribute it? Miller Veterinary Supply. You have somebody to distribute it. It's going to be good in my opinion. Definitely, maybe not even take a trade, but keep it on your watch list, guys. Like I said, join the Patreon. Link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.